Hi everyone, it's Leo, Family Heritage Living. Today we are making French fries, and so I just wanted to, Josiah's back there raising his eyebrows. They're his favorite. Well, everything's Josiah's favorite. But I just wanted to show you how simple and easy it is. If you've never made homemade French fries, you do not need a deep fryer. You do not need to do it in a bunch of oil. If you are like us, if you are like my family, they really like their French fries. But I do not like, for several reasons, to use frozen French fries. They are convenient. There's no denying that. But even if you buy organic, just because something's organic doesn't necessarily mean it's good. But if you buy organic, they still have a list of things that you would not find in a potato in the ingredients. And when it comes to making French fries, it's really not that inconvenient to peel them. You know, you simply peel them, rinse them, and do a couple things to them, put them in your oven just like you would a frozen fry, and then you are good to go with a very natural food that is enjoyed by many of us. There is a couple tricks to getting the French fry the way you want it. First off, because when you wash it, you want to make sure, and I don't mean with soap and water, when you rinse your French fries, your potatoes, to get all the dirt off, you want to make sure that before you put them in the oven, and before you put the oil on them to put in the oven, that you make sure that they are dry. You can do that one of two ways. Simply pat them dry with a paper towel, or I use a rag, just like that. With myself at times, I will sometimes just put them in the oven without anything on them for a few minutes, and then just make sure I stir them to let that heat from the oven dry them off. And then I take them back out, and then I get ready to put the things on them for actual cooking. All right, so when it comes to oil for your French fries, I've done several different things, but my favorite is to use olive oil. First off, I feel it's the healthiest, and secondly, it's very economical. So we use an organic olive oil, and you just have to sprinkle it lightly. You sprinkle it lightly. If you over oil this, it's going to take a whole lot more time to cook these, and that's usually not desired. Most people don't want to wait for them, but you simply just flip them around so that you try to coat them as evenly as possible. Now you can salt them before you put them in. I know most people like to salt them when they come out, but because we're not deep frying them, I do put a little bit of salt on when they first go in, and I'll salt them again when they come out. And the one thing that the guys really like on them,
the secret ingredient,
is paprika. You could add, if you wanted to a little hotter fry, you could add your cayenne pepper. You can add probably chili powder. You know, you could make it a little bit Mexican, put a little cumin on it, but this is how we like to do it. These can have a tendency to stick, and that's why you want to scrape them often. We like ours brown, and it takes a little work to get them that way. But you can see there's not a lot of oil on it. That's one of the benefits of them, is they are much healthier than a deep fried French fry. They can be done with sweet potatoes, though we prefer the yellow or the russet. So this tray was done on the top oven rack, or on the oven rack. I guess the other one was just sitting on the bottom. I'll flip these several times in the cooking process of it. Okay. Yep.
Hey. You've been waiting. What you've been waiting for?
Are they good?
Yeah. My part is silly.
Yes, silly.
Sorry, you got choke.
So there you have it. Just French fries.
Homestead style.
Homestead style. So, French fries with plain old potatoes on your plate. And you can have a little bit of olive oil and a few seasonings, no additives.
Move it down.
Very affordable, even if you have to buy the potatoes, and even if they're an organic potato, it's still much more affordable than a frozen French fry and far more healthy. So hope you enjoy the recipe. If you have tried it and you enjoy it, please comment below. Be sure to like, share the videos, and follow us on Facebook. If you get a chance, visit our blogs. We are not as regular as we would like to be on there, but we're not too bad. So thanks for watching. God bless.